Hi, I'm Katie, the founder of KDJ Design and Events. Today, I'm going to show you how to design your own custom party banner in Canva and then upload it to be printed and shipped by KDJ Design and Events to your location in Australia, the United States, or New Zealand. Canva gives us so many creative options for design and personalization. Plus, they've added some really fun AI tools for creating unique images, frames, and fonts. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can make something truly one of a kind for your next celebration. Let's get started. First, click Create or the plus symbol in Canva. Change the units to millimeters and enter the size for our extra large banner. That's 1500 by 750 millimeters. If you're ever unsure of the size of any of our products, you can find it in the product description on the KDJ Design and Events website. Once you've entered the size, click Create New Design. You now have a blank base to work with for your party banner. We'll start by using Canva's Magic Media tool to create a rainbow background. Click Magic Media from the toolbar on the left and type in your prompt, at least 5 descriptive words. For mine, I'm going with beautiful, colourful rainbow on a light blue background of clouds and pretty pink stars. A quick tip for prompts: be specific with colours, styles, and any extra details you want in the image. Set the layout to landscape, then click Generate Image. While that's working, note that Canva's Magic Media is available for free users but with limitations. You get 50 monthly uses for text to image. Once your 4 images appear, click on the one you like best and it will appear on your design. Enlarge it so it fills as much of the page as possible. If there's still white space on the edges, double-click the image to open Smart Crop. Choose Expand, select Whole Page, and let Canva generate the extra background. Choose from your 4 generated images. I think I'll pick this one. Now let's add text. Click Text on the left and choose from Canva's fun preset options. Today, I'm using Type Extrude because it has a nice bold border that works well on busy backgrounds. I'll use the color picker to grab a purple shade from the clouds. Then make it slightly darker so it stands out more. Adjust the size and position it where you want it. And that's our rainbow banner done. Perfect for Charlie's 6th birthday. Next, let's try the AI image generator app. We can reuse the same text by deleting the old background and keeping the font in place. Click on the app, then type a new prompt. I'm going with purple, pink, and blue butterflies. Select your style, I'm choosing HD, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and click Generate. Once you have an image you love, click Add to Design. Stretch it to cover the background and use Position to move it behind your text. Adjust the font size and placement until you're happy. And that's our butterfly banner ready to go. Now for a third method, using Canva's Elements. Start with a blank design again, then click Elements and search for fairies. Switch to the Graphics tab and choose your favorites. I like these fairies. Resize and position them, then set a background color. I'll use the color picker to grab a pastel shade from the fairies. Then lighten it for a soft, whimsical look. Add a text box and type Happy 8th Birthday Tomorrow. Resize and position them. Try a few fonts until you find one you like. Then use the color picker again to choose a darker pink from the fairy skirts for the text shade. And there's our pretty fairy banner complete. Once you're happy with your design, click Share, choose Download, and make sure the file type is PNG. Now go to the Create Your Own Banner page on the KDJ Design and Events website and click Order Now. In the online editor, click Image Upload, select the file you just downloaded, and it will drop right into place. Click Add to Cart, complete your payment, and we'll print and ship your banner straight to you in Australia, the United States, or New Zealand. And that's it! You've just created a custom party banner using Canva's amazing design tools and AI features, then uploaded it to KDJ Design and Events for printing and delivery. I'll pop the links to Canva and our Create Your Own Banner page in the description so you can get started right away. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. I'd also love to see your designs, so share them on social media and tag KDJ Design and Events. Thanks for watching and happy designing.